Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's video is going to be kind of artsy and crafty. Today we're going to make our own basketball court out of household items. So I'm going to show you the list in a moment and then we're going to get started, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned. You are going to use some scissors, so please, if you have a caretaker or somebody watching you, have them help you with this. Do not, I repeat, do not use scissors by yourself. Make sure you have an adult or somebody there with you to use them. Thank you. So today we're going to be using 5 different items. You can do 6, an option which is blue tape. I don't have that available, but you can use that to actually hang up the basketball court onto your walls. Blue tape is good because it doesn't pull the paint off of your wall, so definitely get that blue tape. So the first item is a water jug, or this could be a 2-liter bottle. It's up to your choice. Okay, a pizza box, a hanger, and if you have a trash bag or some type of recyclable bag, that you're going to need that for as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to make this is you're going to get the water bottle. Oh, I'm sorry, also scissors. As I mentioned before, do not do this without an adult. Make sure if you are using scissors, you are with an adult or a caretaker to help you with that, okay? So with the scissors, you're going to place it right in the middle of the bottle, and you're going to poke a nice little hole in it. So after you poke the hole, it's going to allow you to go in and start cutting around it. And again, you can use a 2-liter bottle to do this as well. Then you should have 2 pieces, the bottom part and the top part. The top part you could dispose of if you're not going to need it, so you could trash that. The bottom part is going to be your basket, okay? So after you do that, you're going to flip it over and do the bottom. The bottom portion needs to be cut out because that's where the ball is actually going to go out. So you're going to poke another hole. Again, please do this with a caretaker or an adult. I do not want any of my students or kids getting hurt. After you poke a hole in, again, just start cutting around it. The wider the hole, the better a sock or any type of object can go through. I have a couple balls at home that I got from the 99-cent store, so I use those. But if not, a rolled up ball of sock ball works. Any type of object that you can throw inside of the basket will work. So this bottom piece is now ripped off. Put that to the side. And now I have this piece right here that is open on both sides, okay? Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go in and get the plastic bag or the trash bag that you may have, and you are gonna cut across. I like to do a long way, this way here, because it's easier and it gives you a little bit more length. And we're going to cut across it. And I should end up with a long strip that is going to be used to secure the basket onto the box. Okay. The next piece we're going to do is we are actually going to use the pizza box, and we're going to tie this basket into the pizza box. What I like to do is just go ahead and poke 2 holes into it. So I'm going to find a space right here, put a nice little hole in it. So I'm going to make it small first, because what's going to happen is I'm going to have to align the holes. I have to align the 2 holes with this right over here in my basket, okay? I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole inside of my net. If you look very closely, there's one here, there's one hole. I gotta now do the second hole. Again, align it. So more or less it's close to the hole of the pizza box. Might be a little challenging at times, so just bear with me. So now I have my 2 holes. If you want, just go ahead and turn it clockwise, counterclockwise. It's gonna make the hole a little bit bigger. Do the same thing to the pizza box. So now with your strip, you're gonna open up the pizza box and you're gonna place the strip in the inside of the box. So go ahead and flip over the box. Get your holes aligned. Put your strip into the net and pull, like so. Sorry, just kidding. Opposite way. You want to go outside, inside, because that's going to help secure it when you are putting it inside the pizza box. So you can use this for, like I mentioned, a 1 gallon water bottle. You guys can use a milk jug. You guys can use an orange juice jug. Whatever you guys have, definitely recommend you use it. So now that I have it connected, I'm gonna now place the strip inside the box. As you can see, as soon as I start pulling it, it's gonna get tighter and closer to the pizza box, okay? Now you're gonna need to go to the inside and then tie it. I like to tie like a shoelace, so in case it doesn't function correctly, that I could actually redo it and try it again. Sometimes they'll break. If you have a piece of rope, it might work better, but again, this is just household items that you might have at home. Tie it like a shoelace. And now, you have a secure basketball backboard and basketball net. Last thing you're gonna do, it's an option. You're gonna poke a hole at the top of the pizza box. And if you have a hanger, I'm gonna place the hanger inside of the pizza box. And there you go. You have a portable basketball court. You can hang it. Again, if you have some blue tape, you can post it onto a wall. But again, please make sure you ask your parent before you do anything. And hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and DIY for creating your own basketball court out of household items. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and if you have any further questions, comments, please make sure you drop them down below. Thank you, and stay tuned for next video. Take care.